Hey there, little explorers. Welcome to our fun-filled quiz, Guess the Animal. Get ready for 10 exciting questions. You'll hear clues, and your job is to guess which animal it is. Each correct answer gives you 1 point. Let's see how many animals you can guess right. And hey, if you love quizzes and fun facts, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new adventure. All right, are you ready? Let's go.
I have a big golden mane and roar like a king. Who am I? That's right, it's a mighty lion. I have a long trunk and big ears. I'm the largest land animal. Yes, it's a gentle elephant. My neck is super long, so I can eat leaves way up high. Who am I? You got it. It's a tall giraffe. I carry my home on my back and move very slowly. Who am I? Correct. It's a slow tortoise. I'm a strong animal that carries loads and say hee-haw. Who am I? Exactly! It's a friendly donkey. I'm big, furry and love honey. Who am I? Well done! It's a cuddly bear. I run fast and love to gallop across fields. Who am I? Yup, it's a graceful horse. I have black and white stripes all over my body. Who am I? Yes, it's a cool zebra. I have long ears and hop around quickly. Who am I? Right, it's a cute little rabbit. I have orange fur with black stripes and roar loudly. Who am I? Awesome, it's a fierce tiger. Great job, little ones! How many animals did you guess right? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes.